Alright, what's going on, y'all? Today, I don't want this to be that long of a video. It's really just a quick overview. I finally got in the coilovers for the 1998 Toyota Corolla. Yeah, I mean, they look pretty decent. Yeah, nice Corolla over there. I just... fresh Rust-Oleum paint job. Yeah, nice and shiny. But yeah, I mean, I got the infamous MaxSpeedigRods. Yeah, $313 total, shipped and everything. And they came from Kentucky. I live in Louisiana, New Orleans, so I mean, they was here in 4 or 5 days. And honestly, I mean, I've never seen a coilover in person. In terms of car parts, they look pretty decent. You know, I'm not one to complain. I don't need like no super, you know, whatever the hell you want to call it, you know, some crazy fancy stuff. They seem safe, I'll put it that way. They don't seem like they're gonna fall apart. They don't seem like they're gonna break. They seem pretty decent quality, you know. That's what more could I ask for? I really just want to lower the car. I mean, it sits pretty high right now. I mean, we'll go see it. It just started to rain, but it's all good. Just after I washed it too. Yeah, nice little Rust-Oleum paint job. Just turbo black. But yeah, you can see the freaking wheel gap on this stock springs and struts. That's a good 4.5 fingers right there, straight up. So yeah, I'll probably drop it down about 3 inches or so. Yeah, these things look pretty decent. Like I said, $313 total, shipped from Kentucky to Louisiana. And yeah, I got the adjustable dampening right here on the top. I think it's 24 clicks. Camber plates on the front, not the rear. I noticed each one is slightly slotted, so that's a little bit more camber adjustability. The rear does have hind joints, or whatever you want to call those, where it swivels. Like I said, man, these things feel heavy freaking duty. They look pretty decent for what I could ask for. Y'all just keep staying tuned. I'll keep posting a few videos as I install. I'm probably gonna make an installation video. And yeah, I'm just gonna bring you guys on the journey of bouncing back the old Corolla. You know, why not? Just to have some fun. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys are interested in this video and this whole little mini series, I guess I'll call it. And yeah, stay tuned if you are. Hit the like button and all that, share it, whatever you want to call it. If you don't, I don't really care. I'm just chilling. But yeah, thank you guys. I hope y'all, guys and girls, throw that in there. Yeah, I hope y'all having a wonderful day. And yeah, peace. Stay blessed.